Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Eli over there at the game.
Doodling.
He's doodling. He's at the computer. He's drawing. We got look. We got Fuzz. Fuzz.
There's a cat.
He ignores me like everybody else around here. Eli, the dogs. Not like me. Workshop Wednesday, everybody. Hope y'all doing good. We're doing good. Got finished up these little spoons today. I gotta oil them. I got them all painted up, and that's pretty cool. For me, I like that. That's a cool style. They'll wear good. Be a cool deal. So got a nice little French gray going. It's almost got like a little marbling deal going on there. A little difference of colors. But once I get it oil, that'll help itself a little bit. But anyhow, a cool pair of spurs. Thank you to my buddy Joe Bob. That's a cool spurs. Now working on a bit for him. So cool bit. We got that started. Got the shanks cut and on mouthpiece. We're going at it. That'll be the other deal. Did y'all catch Tuesdays at 2 yesterday, Willie? Shout out to my buddy Jerry Faulkner. He was in here and I said he showed up right as I was about to do it, and I said you got to sit and watch. Or be a part of it, whatever you want to do, but everybody be mad at me if I don't do this. Got questions asked, so all good. We got off into the laser question yesterday and the traditionalist argument. Ooh, Lord. I don't know if anybody's mad at me or not, but I believe what I said, so I hope everybody likes it. But anyhow, it's all good. So Patreon's kicking. Got a cool podcast coming next week. Carrie and I recorded it yesterday, so it's a cool deal. It's from our friend Bill Ray, who owns a big gallery up in Vail, Colorado, Edwards, Colorado. So Bill's been in the art business for a long time and got a cool show coming up and just knows a lot of history and stuff of the West. So really cool. Listen to Bill talk. Bill will talk. Me and Carrie didn't get to a whole lot, which is awesome. That's the way we want it, man. Y'all don't get on there and listen to us. But yeah, so Monday mornings with Carrie and Willie. Spotify is where that one is. What else I got? I'm gonna post a video. I did, man. Go to YouTube. I talked about it yesterday, and I'm gonna post it here. Everybody's gonna do it all week, but I'll do that here in a minute too. So, yeah, I hope all is well. Thank y'all for tuning in, following, and we'll see you soon. Adios.